welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make for you some veggie juice, and this here is my veg that I'm using: carrots, celery, and I have here some beets. Look how beautiful these are. Pineapple, apples, and I have here some ginger. So let's get started. Sometimes these things are stuck in the bottom. Okay. I can smell that ginger. Yum, 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 yum. Let me clean up here. Here we go, guys. Let's pour and taste. It smells delicious. You can smell that ginger. Yummy. Let's turn this on like that. Look how rich that is. It's rich and delicious. You don't need a lot of this. That's enough. Bye for now, guys. I will see you on the next video. Take care. God bless you.